Okay guys, let me quickly run you through how I made this super delicious fruit salad. So I have my fruits, the one I'm going to use. We have pineapple, apple, mango, bananas, and coconut. Okay, so here is the apple being chopped. So I went ahead to chop my apple neatly. So you can see the crinkle cutter. I use the crinkle cutter to chop the apple. Okay, also we have what they call it, cucumber. Okay, so we also have cucumber in it. So after chopping the apple, I went ahead to break the coconut. I removed it from the back, from its back. Okay, so this is also going to be chopped. You chop it nicely, after which just watch the video, and all you just do is simply cut all your fruits, arrange them neatly, and have it torn together. Then you refrigerate, and thereafter you add milk. Let me tell you, this fruit salad is a burst of flavor. Okay, so if you want one, just order from Cuties Delicacy. Okay, and we'll have one delivered to you. Okay, bye.
Breathe on me again, holy fire fall, take this shattered vessel, I surrender all, let your power move in ways I can't explain, Lord, I'm nothing without you, breathe on me again, breathe life in my soul, let your glory descend, on the ashes you raise me, now I rise again, every dry bone lives, when you call my name, so I cry out in faith, breathe on me again. There were nights I questioned if you heard my cries, felt like heaven was closed, like you passed me by, but even in the waiting you were working deep, planting seeds of purpose I would one day reap. Now I see your hand in the hidden place, every tear was shaping me for greater grace, what the enemy meant just to break let your spirit reign. Every doubt, every fear, I release in your name. I am healed, I am free, I am who you say. By the power of your breath,